In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about joining a meeting on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google Sheet and select the camera icon up here at the top to join a call. And then you can select use a meeting code. Go ahead and copy and paste that link in. Alternatively, the host of the event may have sent out an email, or you might have to request them to provide a link, and then you can just click on that in order to open up the shared presentation, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.